Looking to brighten your shed without running wires? The best solar shed light is an energy-efficient solution that charges by day and shines at night. Perfect for workshops, barns, or outdoor storage spaces with no electrical access. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Heisolcool Solar Shed Light. The Heisolcool Solar Shed Light is a powerful, high-efficiency lighting option ideal for those who need bright, reliable illumination in areas without electrical access. With its upgraded 5730 LED lamp beads delivering a color temperature of 6500 K, this unit provides a crisp, daylight-like brightness that is up to 200% more powerful than standard solar shed lights. It features durable construction with a metal bracket and a working life of over 30,000 hours. The improved solar panel and battery design ensure a higher energy conversion rate and longer illumination, charging fully in 6 to 8 hours of sunlight and running up to 18 hours through the night. The installation is straightforward and wire-free, perfect for mounting 13 to 20 feet high, with coverage ranging from 400 to 700 square feet, making it ideal for larger sheds, barns, or garage areas. Functionality is also a major highlight. The Heisolcool light offers multiple intelligent lighting modes. In Mode 1, it maintains a dim 30% brightness until motion is detected, then switches to full brightness. In Mode 2, it remains off until movement activates the 100% brightness setting. There are also timer settings for 3, 4, and 5 hours, after which the light will switch to motion sensing or shut off completely. This makes the light both versatile and energy-saving. There are no electricity bills involved, and its oversized polycrystalline solar panels are built to withstand weather conditions while charging efficiently. Whether you're looking to illuminate a workspace, driveway, or a large shed, the Heisolcool Solar Shed Light delivers industrial-grade brightness, smart energy management, and long-term reliability. It's an excellent choice for homeowners or property managers who want maximum lighting power without the hassle of complex installation or high energy costs. Number 2. Heikolity Solar Shed Light. The Heikolity Solar Shed Light is a smart and practical solution for anyone needing bright, motion-activated lighting in places where traditional wiring isn't feasible. This energy-efficient light is entirely solar-powered, making it an ideal fit for remote sheds, garages, chicken coops, or even pavilions. Its standout feature is the split design with a 15-foot waterproof cable, allowing you to mount the solar panel outdoors where it can receive maximum sunlight, while placing the light itself indoors or under a roof. It's versatile and easy to install with no wiring required. Just position the panel and mount the light where you need illumination. The built-in motion sensor enhances energy conservation by only activating the light when movement is detected, making it an ideal option for security as well. When mounted at around 10 feet, the sensor can detect motion within an 8-foot range, giving a reliable light source exactly when you need it. It's especially useful for late-night shed access or movement in a dark garage. The unit provides up to 6 hours of continuous lighting on a full charge, sufficient for most nighttime needs. The IP65 waterproof rating ensures durability through rain, dust, and other harsh conditions, making it an all-season solution. This solar light may not offer the ultra-bright lumen output of industrial models, but it balances performance with practicality. Number 3. Gefolly Solar Shed Light. The Gefolly SL5200W Solar Shed Light is a powerful, commercial-grade lighting option for those needing serious brightness and extended coverage from a solar-powered system. With 320 high-intensity LED beads and a massive 33,000 mAh battery, this light offers an extraordinary lighting experience for outdoor areas like sheds, barns, parking lots, or backyards. It emits a crisp 6500 K daylight white glow and covers up to 3,400 square feet, making it suitable for larger applications than typical solar shed lights. Designed for continuous operation, it can run up to 36 hours on a full charge. It features a 220-degree wide-angle design to eliminate dark spots and ensure uniform illumination across broad areas. The build quality is equally impressive, with an IP67 waterproof rating for year-round use, even in harsh weather conditions. Intelligent control is another strong point. A user-friendly remote is included, allowing you to select from various modes: always on, motion sensing, or adjustable brightness, 10% to 100%.
Timers are also available with 3H, 5H, and 8H settings, allowing you to customize the light duration based on your needs. Whether for home security or workspace illumination, this light adjusts seamlessly. Installation is hassle-free, no wiring required, and it comes with wall and pole mounting hardware to suit your layout. Though slightly more advanced than basic models, the Gefolly light is worth it for those who prioritize powerful, long-lasting performance. It's ideal for both residential and commercial use, offering industrial-level lighting without the need for grid electricity.
Number 4. FabStyl Solar Shed Light. The FabStyl Solar Shed Light brings premium lighting performance and customization into one compact, energy-efficient unit. With 228 high-powered LED beads and a staggering brightness output of 4,000 lumens, this light outshines many competitors in its class. It provides 3 distinct color temperatures: warm white, cool white, and natural white, allowing users to tailor the ambiance based on specific needs, whether you're working in a shed, relaxing on a porch, or lighting up a patio. Its innovative design includes a split configuration with a 16.4-foot waterproof extension cable separating the light from the solar panel. This gives you flexibility to install the panel in a sunlit location while placing the light in shaded or indoor spaces like garages, attics, or barns. One of the most notable features is its ability to operate during the daytime, a rare and highly useful function. 2 of the 5 lighting modes provide continuous light even under daylight conditions, which is perfect for enclosed spaces that remain dark regardless of the time of day. The other 3 modes include motion-activated dusk to dawn settings and a steady light mode for nighttime use. Additionally, the 360-degree light spread ensures even coverage and eliminates dark corners. Installation is straightforward, requiring no wiring or electrical experience. This light is also built to withstand the elements with its weatherproof construction, ensuring performance in all seasons. Number 5. Ropelux Solar Shed Light. The ropelux Solar Shed Light is a top-tier option for users who need powerful and adaptive lighting that works both day and night. Delivering a bright 3,000 lumens, this light transforms sheds, garages, workshops, or outdoor areas into fully illuminated spaces no matter the time. Its upgraded 4400 mAh battery offers between 12 to 20 hours of light per full charge, ensuring reliable performance through extended use. A major highlight is its dual light source setup. Mode 5 delivers continuous daytime lighting, which is perfect for dim indoor sheds, before switching to a motion-activated mode once battery levels drop to 50%. The dusk to dawn setting include both motion-triggered and constant light options, with adjustable motion sensor durations ranging from 25 to 45 seconds. Installation is easy with no need for wiring, and its weatherproof build ensures dependable use in rain, wind, or snow. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.